check in. Guests will come up the stairs here. Make sure to get a shot of that window behind you.
The window behind me. Oh yes. Makes it nice and light over the staircase, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice. The Atlantic
Stairs
Suite.
in there. Yeah.
Very nautical. Of course it is. It's the Atlantic Suite.
That's right. Yeah. This is one of the bigger suites because it has the bedrooms through here.
Oh, 2 doubles. Nice flooring, makes it nice and bright.
And then you hang your clothing in here.
Closet
And a
area.
nice big bathroom through here.
Oh yes, with a full tub, and it's great. Very nice. And you have a view of the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, there's a great view from out here.
Actually,
If you can zoom, maybe.
yeah, the screen is not doing me any good here.
No.
We just get a better view of the screen.
That's right. So it does have the fridge, microwave, coffee maker, and sink. Okay. And a little kitchenette.
Great, lovely room. Okay.
In here is the utility room where they keep the laundry and extra linens, things like that. This is known as the Lighthouse Suite.
Isn't that nice?
So again, a spacious bathroom.
It's amazing. I guess this old building had more units, so they used the extra space for large bathrooms and little sitting rooms inside each unit rather than so many rooms. But they did a very good job redoing this. Very nice, nice solid wood doors. I noticed they use a lot of French doors or doors with glass. So the light,
Everything is brighter,
yeah,
right?
so the light goes through. Oh, and what's the name of this room again?
This is the lighthouse room.
Okay.
So from this room, you can see the lake as opposed to the ocean through the front window.
Oh,
In the
yes.
distance there.
Yeah, that's over towards the canal. And that's the school in the background. So I guess behind the school is the marina. Again, a little kitchenette.
There's a bit of a step down there.
And here we have the
The geese. Two twin beds in here.
okay.
This one is a little bit smaller, but still a sitting area. Coffee maker.
The sink is outside of the bathroom.
Stand-up shower.
Okay. And you must have a door here, pocket door, huh?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, nice.
thank you. So continuing down the hall.
So that was the third unit upstairs.
This one is known as Bald Eagle.
This is in the corner facing the ocean. Very nice.
This one is the stand-up shower as well.
Excellent. Very nice bathrooms, very clean.
The decor is sort of old meets new. They've got some old furniture pieces, but enough updates that you don't feel like you're in an old building.
I think I'm lost. We're going to continue down the hall.
This is the Owl Suite.
Okay.
I don't think there's anybody hiding under those sheets, although it looks like it.
It's the way the Europeans make their beds. Very nice.
So the shower is in behind the door. You don't have to come all the way in.
Oh, yes. Very good. Okay.
Big wardrobe.
Very well done. Heavy doors. Guess they're all fire retard and things. Oh, and we have another one.
Of course, the Blue Jay is next.
We're at the end of the hall here. I see there's a panic bar on this door, and that goes out to the stairs that lead out. Okay. This is the Blue Jay. Isn't that pretty?
It is.
Again, you have pocket doors.
It really is hard to believe that it's this big out here. That there's this many units.
The sink is out here instead of in the bathroom. That's very nice. Very nice. And we have a picture of a blue jay on the wall. And here we are facing
The parking lot.
the parking lot. Yep. The villa. The apartments across the street. And I believe the house next door is also for sale.
It is.
It's interesting. Do you know the price on that house?
I think it might be 329. Is it? I will check.
I don't know. I thought it was $279 or something, but it's convenient that it's right next door.
$279. Yes, sorry. Yep, 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, $279.
Okay. All right, interesting. I just asked because the person that buys this might be interested in owning the place next door as well.
You could live next door and rent out the unit here.
So we had 2 down that hall, this one in the corner, that's 3. Then we had the geese over here, that's 4. The Atlantic is 5. And the lighthouse is 6, right?
Right.
Wow.
And then there's another one downstairs and the private living quarters.
So there's 8. Okay.